All Earth's organisms are dependent on water. Everywhere, pure oxygen-rich water is essential in order for plants and animals to thrive. In many countries, therefore, the demands for the purification of sewage water is increasing within society, and also internally within industrial processes the demands on water purity are very high. Pure water in the process leads to shorter service times, resulting in reduced costs. Hydrotech develops, manufactures and installs water filters for mechanical purification using microscreen technology for municipal and industrial plants all over the world. In the paper industry, sewage plants, within fish farming, everywhere in society where a high demand is placed on clean water. Hydrotech has developed two main types of filters, the drum filter and the disc filter. These two types offer different advantages concerning water capacity, space demands and economy, but the principle is the same for both. A self-cleaning filter with few moving parts which operates without pressure and with a backwashing system which rinses the filter fabric from any particles which are then led away in a sewage pipe for disposal or for recycling. The drum filter is at present the most usual type and is used primarily in connection with large flow capacities with relatively large filter openings, for example within the paper industry and fish farming. The detachable filter panels, which are mounted on the periphery of the drum, are available in a number of different types concerning the filter openings and material of the filter cloth, and they are easy to change. The disc filter, with its compact design and greater filtration surface, is better suited when a finer filtration is required over a large area, and when the space required for the installation is more restricted. The disc filter consists of a rotating central drum, onto which the discs with the filter media are assembled. The filter is suspended from a central shaft and two support wheels. Each disc consists of a number of disc segments, 3, 4 and 5 respectively, depending on the size of the filter unit. Mounted on the sides of the segments are the filter panels. Each panel is equipped with a rubber gasket and held in place by means of a locking frame. A filtration installation can be placed either in a cement channel, in a basin, or as a freestanding pipe-fed filter equipped with a stainless steel tank. The inflowing water is filtered through the filter panels by means of gravity, as the level of this water is somewhat higher than the water which has already passed through the filter. The separated particles which collect on the inside of the filter cloth eventually create an increase in pressure, causing the water level in front of the filter to rise. When the level of the water reaches an inbuilt sensor in the system, the rotation and backwash cycle are activated by means of the automatic equipment. Certain filter models are equipped with a moving spray bar. Its function is to reduce the consumption of backwash water and to increase the cleaning efficiency of the filter cloth. The reduced consumption of water results in energy savings of up to between 20 and 25%. The drum filter consists of a drum which is constructed in sections and, depending on the diameter, can have a varying number of filter panels fitted around each section. The drum filter panel is 1200 by 400 millimeters, manufactured in polypropylene and polyester or stainless steel cloth. It is designed to be flexible so that the filter panel can be mounted onto small or large drums. Hydrotech filters require less space, lower investment costs and lower operation costs than other mechanical water purification techniques. Furthermore, they are simple to maintain due to the patented filter elements. We will now show some examples of installations where Hydrotech filters are being used and the reason these particular techniques have been chosen. In the last few years, Hydrotech has worked intensively on developing effective microscreens for effluent polishing in wastewater treatment plants. Openings of 20 micrometers are used in the filters to remove the remaining particles, which have not previously settled in the purification process. The wastewater treatment plant in Hillerød in Denmark is one of the plants which has chosen the disc filter from Hydrotech. 5 filters have been installed here, which have a total capacity of approximately 2,300 cubic meters per hour. And the reason for this is to give the water a further polishing, particularly during periods of rain when there is often a too high discharge of suspended material. The disc filter solution is more economical than the sand filter system and more effective than a sedimentation plant. The traditional solutions which we examined cost in the region of 15 to 20 million kroner. We were afraid that these would lead to blockages of the sand filters, as we had to expand with large rainwater basins. And that would mean a great strain on our secondary sedimentation process. This solution could be carried out for 8 million kroner, and as a result we could also expand the capacity of the secondary sedimentation process.